Hi, and welcome to another edition of Ride Along with Granny Gears. And today we're on the Waterfront Trail out of Whitby, and we're at the Lynn Shores Conservation Area, which is a really good place to start your journey. As normal, this is one of our first rides of every year since we've started cycling, and it's been a bit of a tradition. So we're going to continue that tradition today, and we're going to ride the Waterfront Trail out of Whitby. So ride along with Granny Gears. We're on the road again from the Lynn Shores Conservation Area. There's a short little jaunt that you take on the road to get to the connector that takes you towards the rest of Whitby and Pickering. So from the Lynn Shore Conservation Area, you come out a little feeder trail here, and you head down this little joint use road, and you to pick up the trail that goes into Whitby and to Pickering. It's a beautiful day. You get that cool breeze coming off the lake, which is kind of nice. We had a pretty hot day yesterday. So join us as we ride the Waterfront Trail. And it's a great day to ride along with Granny Gears. So we're just coming off this little connector road now, and we're back on the trail again. Well, if you have ever ridden the Waterfront Trail out of Pickering and Whitby, you'll know that the gnats and the midges can really be challenging. So, this is Bug Patrol. Granny Gears with our nets on. So, ride along with Granny Gears. So again, we have another little connector road. Takes us back to the main trail in Whitby. Waterfront Trail is really quite nice as you wind your way through some wooded areas and some parklands. And this is an interesting feature here, twin trails. So for cycling, they want you to go to the right. Some really nice gardens here with the tulips just coming up nicely. Well, it's one thing about this springtime in Ontario, you get the fields of yellow, the dandelions. Great view of the water there. There's actually a pretty nice view of the lake from here and the rest of the park. But we get a great view coming down here of the lake here. Nice boardwalk here. A little bit on the busy side. I didn't quite have the camera on there, but we've now entered the Pickering section. The Waterfront Trail. Well, this is one trailhead. Appears to be closed right now. Usually good parking. And it's right beside the Pickering nuclear plant. But it looks to be a road closure in effect to the beginning of October this year. You can go to the left and take the trail, and that will take you to the Waterfront Trail into Toronto. At the Peak Trail, little observation spot. So we've reached the Pickering Center. A nice lookout over the lake. Still a little hazy. You can see some geese and probably some ducks out there. Can't quite tell what they are. It's a pretty busy day out here, which is nice that everybody takes advantage of it. So hopefully we'll stay out of most people's way. Anyways, so I hope you're enjoying the ride along the Waterfront Trail. We're in Pickering now, and we're going to head back towards Lynn Shores in Whitby. So ride along with Granny Gears as we continue the adventure along the Waterfront Trail. Oh, we got a swan. Yeah, there's a swan in a nest over there. That little pond, yeah. And one with its bums up. Little chipmunk. Lowland chipmunks, they're made for each other. Great view of the lake. Hey there. Midges, gnats. Well, we've just gone through a little cloud of gnats. I don't know if you can see it on the recording, but people are swatting, and that's why we have the bug nets on. But it's a good sign. It means the warm weather's here, spring is here, summer's on its way. The William Parish Waterfront Trail. Ajax by the lake. Well, I gotta say, this is probably gonna be the strangest looking video we've ever done with bug nets on, but If you're having fun riding along, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe while you're there. It really helps our channel grow. And tap that notification bell so that you can join us on all of our upcoming adventures. Well, we had a great ride, an early season favorite. Whitby to Pickering, 22 kilometers of shoreline smiles, lake breezes, and those classic waterfront trail views. This stretch has always been a favorite for us. And we'll return soon to complete our journey to Oshawa. After all, Granny Gears never leaves a trail that's not thoroughly explored. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on our next adventure. And it's been a great day to ride along with Granny Gears.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.